Hey guys, it's Lindsay with Chalk Palette, and today I wanted to show you another fun way you can play with our box frames. And so I'm going to just use this really cute A-size transfer to demonstrate that. And so I'm going to first apply our chalk paste. I'm going to put on more than what I actually need, covering the entire thing so I can make sure that I can get the whole space covered, and then scrape off all the extra and put it back in a jar. This helps so the chalk paste doesn't dry too quick. Go ahead and peel the transfer up. Seriously, perfection every time. That peel never gets old. Okay, and so then after that, I'm going to wash my transfer. I usually use lukewarm water or cooler water, not hot, because I don't want to melt adhesive on back of my transfer. I rinse off all the chalk paste on it, and then I just let it dry, sticky side up. So I wanted to add a fun embellishment to my box frame. I'm going to make a hole in the top of my box frame on both sides using just a nail and a hammer, poking a hole through and making sure it's a good size for a wire to go through. I'm going to cut a wire. I want to make it into an arch and shove it down into the hole I created with my nail. Do it the same thing on the other side. Looks like it's going to work. Now I'm going to thread my wire with my cute wooden beads that I love, just for a fun, unique look on the box frame. And so I'm just going to string those along in a small pattern, put the wire back into the hole I created, and we are good to go. Look how fun that is. Super cute and unique way to play with our box frame. What do you guys think? Yay or nay?